We will be assembling a 2-finger parallel mGrip tool using the components shown here. The first step is to attach your air fitting to the parallel hub using your torque driver set to 6 Newton meters. Next, you'll be attaching your robot adapter using the provided M6 screw. Apply anti-seize to the end of the screw and set your torque driver to 5 Newton meters before tightening. To attach your finger module and/or your spacer to the parallel hub, simply click them together with each mating surface. Once you have applied anti-seize to both ends of your tie rod, screw the hex nut onto one end and insert it into the assembly as shown. Take your other spacer and finger module and click it onto the hub through the tie rod, and then insert the cap nut on the finger module and tighten the hex nut using your torque driver set to 2.2 Newton meters.